Hare Krishna, dear devotees. I'd like to begin by offering my obeisances to His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj and to all of my exalted God brothers and God sisters who are present today. I would like to offer my obeisances to the Gurugram community, and I'd like to offer special thanks and appreciation to Acharya Sudarsanji Maharaj for having donated this property that ISKCON could create such a beautiful, beautiful mandir. Despite the fact that I don't speak Hindi, I would like to concur with everything that Deenbandhu Prabhu said. This is a very beautiful mandir. This reminds me so much of something beautiful that you would see in Rajasthan, in one of the old temples there. And it's really an offering of love that His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj and all of you Vaishnavas have made to the feet of His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada and to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and to Shri Shri Radha Damodar. To build a temple in this world is something which is very auspicious. And to build a temple in this world, one should have some special empowerment. It's not just by chance or by luck or by management that something as beautiful as this can manifest, but it's by being empowered by one's spiritual master and being empowered by our parampara and being empowered by Gaurnitai and Radhesham. And Gopal Krishna Maharaj has not only built this one beautiful temple and inspired this one beautiful temple to manifest, but he has inspired so many beautiful temples throughout the Delhi area, and he's overseen and he's cared for so many projects in India. Our Bombay temple, our Vrindavan temple. So I'd like to say that Gopal Krishna Maharaj he's a special, empowered personality. Not only by his temple construction, but he's so carefully followed Srila Prabhupada's instructions that if you want to please me, you should print and distribute books. And he has been a leader of this book distribution of Srila Prabhupada's books. He's been a leader his entire life. And that requires such special empowerment also. So, yeah, not only one temple, so many temples. Not only one printing of books, but printing of millions and millions and millions of books. And making so many wonderful devotees and inspiring devotees to distribute those books throughout India. So I think that we all have a debt of gratitude to His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj, and all of us who are sitting here today. Many of you are probably the dedicated disciples of Gopal Krishna Maharaj. You have observed his life. You've seen what he has done in the service of Srila Prabhupada. And now that responsibility is on all of your shoulders, that for the course of your lives, you will follow in the footsteps of Guru Maharaj, follow his each and every instruction, and spread this Krishna consciousness movement. So thank you very much, Gopal Krishna Maharaj. His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj ki. His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj ki. His Holiness Gopal Krishna Maharaj ki. Srila Prabhupada ki. Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki. Go Premanandi.
I feel embarrassed hearing these kind words from Maharaj. Vaishnavas are very kind and generous. So Maharaj was very kind in naming his good qualities. Take everything with a discount. Hare Krishna.